Hey, what's up everybody? How are you guys doing today? If you're new here, my name's Tobias, and in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to use this 3-in-1 OTG adapter to connect a USB mic, headphones, and a charging cable to your iPhone. This is kind of a follow-up video to two previous videos that I made. One of them was titled How to Use a USB Mic with an iPhone, and the other one was How to Use any USB mic on an iPhone. And in those videos, I used just this basic OTG adapter to connect a USB mic to an iPhone. And in my How to Use any USB microphone with an iPhone, I use this OTG adapter in conjunction with a powered USB hub to supply additional power to a more powerful USB microphone, such as a Blue Yeti, which would not work with just the OTG adapter by itself. Several people commented on those videos and brought to my attention that this 3-in-1 OTG adapter exists, so I figured I'd give it a shot. It goes for $18.99 on Amazon, and I'll go ahead and put the link to this Amazon page down in the description below in case you would like to check that out for yourself. So I went ahead and ordered it, opened it up, and spent some time testing it out, and what I found was actually pretty surprising. So with the original OTG adapter, the Blue Yeti could not work with this OTG adapter by itself because the Blue Yeti was unable to draw enough electricity through this OTG adapter. And the powered USB hub was needed to supplement additional power to the Blue Yeti, which then worked. With this new 3-in-1 OTG adapter, the Blue Yeti works with the iPhone without the need for the additional powered USB hub. And you don't even need to plug in the iPhone charger either. The iPhone charger is strictly for charging your phone. And I'm not exactly sure why this is, but I have a feeling it has to do with this new 3-in-1 OTG adapter. It's able to allow more milliamps to pass through than this original OTG adapter over here. I'm not an expert on this sort of thing, but that's something that I read online at some point, so I think that might be the reason. So not needing that additional powered USB hub is a huge advantage and gives you a lot more flexibility and mobility if you are using a microphone that requires a bit more power, like the Blue Yeti. Other microphones like this one right here, this one is called the Maono PM461TR. This one works perfectly fine with either the regular OTG adapter or the new 3-in-1 OTG adapter. It does not require as much power as the Blue Yeti. Another thing that I want to point out really quick, which a few people have asked me about, this will not work for calls. This is mostly just for recording video or recording into an audio app like GarageBand or maybe BandLab, which brings me to my next point. A lot of people have asked me how they can monitor their audio if they have a USB microphone which does not have a headphone jack on it. This 3-in-1 OTG adapter will allow you to monitor your audio with headphones. But first of all, if you do have a USB microphone which does not have a headphone jack on it, you will not be able to monitor your audio while recording video. You will only be able to monitor your audio if you're recording to an app like GarageBand. And I'll show you how to do that right now. Plugging your headphones into this OTG adapter will also allow you to hear your beat or instrumental in GarageBand as you record to it. Some people have also asked me if you can monitor your audio with Bluetooth headphones. In my experience, there's a pretty big delay while trying to monitor your audio in GarageBand with Bluetooth headphones. So in my opinion, you'd be much better off just plugging headphones straight into the OTG adapter. Okay guys, so right now I'm in the GarageBand app on my phone and I'm doing a screen recording so you can see what I'm doing. So as you can see here, I have a microphone track, and if you want to hear your voice through your microphone in your headphones, aka monitor your audio, what you'll do is click on this little microphone symbol at the top left of the screen. This window will come up, and then down here in the bottom right corner, there will be a little button that says on or off, and underneath it will say monitor. If it says on, you are monitoring your audio, and if it says off, you need to press that so that it says on so that you can monitor your audio. You can then go ahead and go back to your track, and I'll go ahead and hit the record button. At the bottom here, I just recorded a quick piano loop, and I'm gonna go ahead and hit the record button, and we can hear the audio. We can hear the piano track. We could also hear the metronome, and we can hear my voice. We can hear everything. And we'll see that my voice was recorded. Hear the audio. We can hear the piano track. So that's how you do that, guys. That's how you monitor your audio if you do not have a headphone jack on your microphone. Now, on the other hand, if you are using a microphone with a headphone jack like the Blue Yeti, what you're going to want to do is just plug your headphones into the headphone jack on the microphone, and you'll be able to hear everything through the headphone jack on the microphone. And right now, guys, I'm recording this video with the front-facing camera on my iPhone XR. The audio that you're hearing is coming from my Mono PM461TR. Now, unfortunately, since this microphone does not have a headphone jack, you cannot monitor the audio while recording a video. Even if you have your headphones plugged into the 3-in-1 OTG adapter, you cannot monitor your audio while recording a video. If you have a microphone like the Blue Yeti, you can plug your headphones into the headphone jack on the Blue Yeti, and you can monitor your audio while you are recording a video. But to do that, you will need a microphone with a headphone jack. However, when I am finished recording this video and I go back to the video in my camera roll, I can play back the video and I can hear the audio in my headphones. And now I am still recording using the camera on my iPhone, except this time I'm recording the audio with my Blue Yeti, and I have my headphones plugged into the Blue Yeti and I can hear my voice while I'm recording this video. If I were to unplug the headphones and plug them into the 3-in-1 OTG adapter, I would not be able to hear my voice. Since this microphone has a headphone jack on it, I am able to hear my voice. Okay guys, so I think that pretty much covers everything. You can plug in a USB mic, you can monitor your audio and charge your phone all with this 3-in-1 OTG adapter. And I think it's awesome that you can plug in a microphone like the Blue Yeti and not have to worry about messing around with a powered USB hub. All you need is this. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me down in the comments below. Once again, I will go ahead and have the link to this OTG adapter down in the description below in case you would like to check that out for yourself. I'll also have the link to both of the microphones that I used in this video. The Mono PM461TR, I believe, is only going for around $24 right now. It's a really good budget USB microphone if you are in the market for one. And if you did like this video or if it helped you out, I would really appreciate it if you went down there and gave this video a like. That would help me out so much. If you would like to see more videos by me in the future, make sure to go down there and hit that subscribe button and also that bell notifications button. If you'd like to follow me on Instagram, I'll go ahead and put my handle right here. It's @YT_Tobias, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Peace.